The regular Insignia seat already is a perfect seat. We from design decided right from the beginning to spend extra effort to build on this functionality and focused on extra elements like higher side bolsters for more side support, active driving, in a cushion, in a backrest. We have an integrated headrest, and onto the functionality of this AGR seat we spent the design theme sharp, precise, controlled of a cobra snake, because the tension which this animal has is very concentrated. And this is what you need for this kind of seat. We took the cobra snake as a symbol because we also like the aggressiveness. So what you can see is the side wings of the backrest, and actually the head of a cobra snake is literally the transformed animal into the backrest.
For us in the seat engineering, we were excited to be part of the creation of the new Insignia high-performance version. The good thing is that the standard seat is already very mass reduced. So basically we took it as a starting point in order to build up the performance seat and to gain a little bit more weight out of it and come up with a seat which fulfills all the safety features which are necessary, but make it look and make it be a really sport seat. Supportive enough when lapping the Nürburgring Nordschleife, for example, yet providing superb comfort on long journeys. As you can imagine, balancing between these extremes was not easy. We reviewed several seating concepts and finally decided to use our in-house expertise here at Opel to use the base architecture, which is already mass reduced and offers a great starting point to produce a performance seat which is lightweight. As a result, we have created the first performance seat on the market, certified by AGR, the campaign for healthy backs, providing heating, ventilation and massage functions. No modern comfort feature is missing for the Insignia GSi driver. With this, we have once more demonstrated that Opel is at the forefront of automotive seating technology.
We as the ergonomic experts and back health scientists from the independent organization Aktion Gesunder Rücken, or as many say AGR, have extensive experience in evaluating seats and all kinds of objects which can impact the health of one's back. Basically, it is an important criteria that you can adjust everything in balance to your individual body proportions and individual necessities.
You have to be one piece with the car, and this is coming from the seat. This is coming from the support which the seat will give the driver during the drive sessions. And for us it was one of the main focus. The GSi is sharp, precise, it makes fun to drive. And together with the seat, with the comfort and with the support which is coming from the seat, for me it is an outstanding package. We did a lot of race sessions on the Nordschleife. We did a lot of fast laps. And if you would like to do fast laps and if you would like to do fast on the racetrack, you have to have support which is coming from the seat. As a race driver, we have to feel everything coming out from our own sensors which we have in the body. And that is the reason why the seat is so important. You have to sit in the seat and not on the seat, and you have to feel a protection. And everything together, it's a perfect developed seat which we have in the Insignia GSi.